Hello guys, it's Mrs.Z. It's a lesson 13 word problem, grade 5, mission 2. It looks like this is activity for work in a class. We're going to work it out some around it, so we'll see how it goes. You will receive strings in a classroom that are different lengths. Okay, measure the strings expressing the measurement in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Share the measurement with your partner, then record the measurement in a class chart. Okay, so we're going to create that chart. We are going to use this to be, let's see, I'm going to make 3 inches each. So these will be meters, this will be centimeters, and this will be millimeters. So millimeters is this, centimeters is this, and then meter is this. So this is, and then you're going to, in a classroom, have for also the for different lengths. So if I do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to create a chart, and then it can help us to see what you can do in your classroom to help yourself see, change your measurements of each different value. Okay, so if this is all right, okay. And we have a chart. All right, now this is string A, string B, string C, and string D. So let's see if you get, for example, you measure string that is 1 whole meter and 0.5. So that means that it has 1 whole meter, and then you should know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So that could be, and then centimeters are out of 100. So you also have 5 more out of 100. So what you can say that you have 1 meter, and then if you see that this is 0.05, then this is actually 5 more centimeters. So together that would be 105 centimeters. So 105 centimeters. But you can see if this is 100, and from 100 you have only 5, so 105 would be that. Now, you could do millimeters by multiplying by 1,000, because 1 times 1,000 is 1,000 millimeters. Plus you have about 50 out of 100. So you can see that as thinking about this, if you have 1 whole meter and you have 0 decimeters, 5 centimeters, and we can add a 0 so to make 1,000. So you can see how many out of 1,000 you have. So that tells you if 1 meter is equals to 1,000 millimeters. So that would be 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters, and then out of 1,000 you have a 50 more millimeters. That's one strategy that could work. So all total would be 1,050 millimeters. Okay, that would be a logical thinking. If you are thinking from centimeter to millimeters, it's you know that 1 centimeters is equals to 10 millimeters. So like you said here, look, this is 1 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter. So from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. But then that is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 millimeters. So that is millimeters. So these are little ones, 10. So when you know if you have 105 centimeters times 10, it would be 105 and add the 0 because multiplying by 10 you gain a 0, so that becomes 1050 millimeters. So here's your 1050 millimeters. Okay, that's if that is string. If a string is like 0 and 75 hundredths, what that tells you that you don't have even 1 meter. You don't have a whole stick. You have only 75 centimeters because the meter is 100 centimeters. So if you are thinking about meter, it's like you have 100 centimeters, so you have 1 meter. Okay, in this case, 0.75 is a 75 out of 100, so you have only 75 centimeters. Okay, and then if you want to know how many millimeters is that, you can multiply by 10. 75 times 10, it's 750 millimeters. If you are going to do from meter to millimeters, then you should multiply by 1,000, and then that these digits will move, and you will have 75. It will be 0.75 times 1,000, so the digit will move 3 place values, become 1,000 times greater, which will be 750 in your chart. Okay, now if you are doing that C, it's very small, it's a 0.2. So for kids, usually they don't use decimeters, but I think it's important, and I don't know why they skip. Hold on. Yes. Radim lekciju.
Lekciju dođi vamo kod freewaya, tamo nemam kartice, nemam kartice u Beogradu, sad dan nemam dovoljno Beogradu, sam dan.
Okay.
Jel kod tebe kartice, gasto, slobodno,
Okay.
Naš ti je ovaj kocka?
I think so. Okay. Ciao. Okay, guys, I have to go, so I'm just gonna shorten it. This 0.2 is same like 0.20, and that will make 20 centimeters, which will make 200 millimeters. And then D is if you have a 0 and 0.9, so that means you only have a 9 out of 100. You have 9 centimeters, and that 9 centimeters will be only 90 millimeters. And this will be discussed really more in your at school. So I hope this for now helped. All right. It was Mrs. Z. It was word problem lesson 13. Bye bye.